here in Ratankand Shavkachar, Shlok number 38, Acharya Samantabhadra Maharaj is telling that Navnidhi Saptadvaya means Navnidhi. Navnidhi means 9 treasures. The person having the clear version. जो सम्यक दृष्टि जीव होता है वो क्या होता है? स्पष्ट दिशा. स्पष्ट दिशा मीन्स हैविंग द क्लियर वर्जन, मीन्स द पर्सन हैविंग द राइट बिलीव. द पर्सन हैविंग द क्लियर वर्जन और द पर्सन हैविंग द राइट बिलीव इज अधीश, लॉर्ड ऑफ नवनिधि यानी 9 treasures. देन सप्तद्वय रत्ना, सप्तद्वय रत्ना, 2 times 7 यानी 7 live and 7 non-live jewels. So 7 live jewels and 7 non-jewels, hence 14 jewels. And then Sarvabhumi Patyascha Chakram, Sarvabhumipati. So Sarvabhumi means Lord of all land. He is the Lord of all land and paramouncing. He is having the syringe in having universal power or rights. So he is the Lord of all the lands of the world. So Sarvabhumi Patyash. Then Chakram. So Vartayutum Prabhavanti Chakram. So he is capable of moving the chakra, that is a symbol of victory. So he is capable of moving the wheel, that is the symbol of victory. And Kshatriya. Kshatriya means the king having a specific warrior class. Kshatriya Raja means warrior class kings. So Mauli means mukut and Shekhras means top. So the top of the crowns of warrior class kings Charna, bow down to his feet. So here Acharya is telling that a person having the clear version or having the right belief is the Lord of 9 treasures and 14 jewels, that is 7 live jewels and 7 non-live jewels. And he is having a paramountcy or suzerain over the all land. He is having the universal power over the whole lands and he is capable of turning the wheel, that is a symbol of victory. And all the tops of the crowns of warrior class kings bow down to